So all you need to do is click this like button and it will open this YouTube video. You just need to click this like button on the YouTube video, and after doing this you are going to be rewarded with points, and your points will be automatically added, and this point you can then cash out and select which payment option you want. You can either use a Bitcoin, a PM, or PayPal. This is free worldwide. No matter where you are, you can earn money on this platform. So all you need to do is go to you're about to learn how you can earn money to like YouTube videos. But so no, we're not talking about selling any product here, and we're not talking about affiliate marketing. Okay, this is the easy step by step what you need to do, and that is liking YouTube video and get paid for it. Okay, first of all, before I show you this method, make sure you like this video you're watching. Okay, and after then you are ready to like video and earn money for that. If you manage to like this video, that's great, because then you will qualify to make money by only liking videos on YouTube. Okay, you can either go to Facebook pages, okay, or photo, or you subscribe Facebook for pages, okay, or you can play videos and earn money for that on YouTube, or like videos on YouTube. But for this, or dislike video or subscribe, okay, and there are many other ones like that, or for Facebook like and followers, or Twitter followers, or tweets, or like Twitter likes, or Twitter retweets, and so on and so forth. What we're going to base on this video is liking YouTube video. Okay, so we want to go to like YouTube video. All right, you will see points like this, and you can even load more. Okay, for today I have only just this little ones here. Okay, and that is only one way to earn money on this website. All right, let's just go through this in seconds. All we need to do is just click on this like button, and it will upload a YouTube video, okay, like this. All we just need to do is to like this video. We leave this video to play for 15 seconds, and then we can go back and close this tab. All right, and it's going to add more points to the point that we have received. Our point is then now added. And the other way to earn money on this platform is that we can go to daily bonus. Okay, you can go to daily bonus and earn free points every day. Okay, you can get 100 daily points in this way. Okay, if you want to earn, you can just click on this, get 100 daily points. Okay, and this point will be added to your balance once you click it. As you see now, the point is already added. It's already added to our balance. All right, so this is one way to earn money on this platform. And then after this, you can just easily go to cash out, and we can choose what kind of payment you want, the kind of payment method. We have a PayPal method, and we have a PM method, we have a Bitcoin method, but I personally choose PayPal. You can request a minimum payment of $1.50 for PayPal. All right, after your request, your payment will be paid in between 3 to 5 days. So that is it is very easy as that. The website URL is called followfast.com. all right, once again, it's called followfast.com. To use this platform, you need to click the join button. All right, and it will take you to the sign up process. Okay, you enter your username and email address, and you're going to generate a password. You generate a password, all right, and you confirm your password again, and you press the captcha, and you're ready to use this platform. If you know you've got value on this video, please subscribe to my channel. I do create videos on how to make money online every week. Okay, so make sure you also click that notification bell button Alright, so I will send you an update each time when I create videos like this that will help you to earn more money on the internet. Alright guys, so if you know that this method I'm showing you needs a bit of work to earn money on it, okay, I will leave a link in my description. That will be my first recommendation for you guys to make much money on the internet, to make your first $10 on the internet, to make your first $50 on the internet, to make your first $100 on the internet, or even your first 1,000 per day on the internet. Check the description and make sure you check out my first recommendation, alright? And I will be sending you an update to you direct to your email address where I show you exactly step-by-step method what you need to do to earn money on the internet even when you're sleeping. Alright guys, so thank you for watching today's video guys. I appreciate you all and I will see you in the next one.